So Maulvi Rizwan Rastu likes to talk so much about Amar bin Maruf and Nahi Anand Mulke. I am also doing Amar bin Maruf and Nahi Anand Mulke. In his hand gesture, I have pointed out so many times that they are used to sexually harass women. He is not listening to me. Hijab is not only for women and only a piece of cloth that you put on your head on a women. Hijab is your whole behavior. Hijab is also your hand gesture. I have pointed out so many times. First time I gave him benefit of doubt that maybe he doesn't know. But now I have pointed out so many times and he is not listening to me. He is doing it even more and more and more. So, before you tell others, he should listen to my Amar bil Maruf and Nahi Anand Mulke. Then he can tell others to do Amar bil Maruf and Nahi Anand Mulke. What is he doing when I am doing Amar bil Maruf and Nahi Anand Mulke? What is he doing with my advice? He is being such a hypocrite that he is not listening to what I am saying, and he keeps on doing the same hand gestures which are inappropriate, and they are and he is such a fasik that he is doing in front of hundreds of people. And the Amar bil Maruf and Nahi Anand Mulke is used a lot to do slandering people. That scholar in Qom who wants to marry me only because he wants to marry me because he is following his sexual desires. He is slandering me. Someone should ask him. Imams have said that when you look for your wife, you should find a parhezgar and muttaqi women to get married. If someone should ask him that if I am a Western woman living in Western world, living a sinful lifestyle, why does he want to marry me? Why can't he find someone in his own in the whole of Iran? He cannot find one muttaqi and parhezgar woman that he is dying to marry me. If I am living such a sinful lifestyle, why does he want to marry me? Someone should ask him. Why does he want to marry me? If I am living such a sinful lifestyle, why does he want to marry me? Someone should ask him this. Why are so many muttaqi and parhezgar people in this community? They are dying to marry a sinful women like me.